Hello everyone, my name is Ryson and welcome to rysonsspraybooth. And in this video guys, I am going to restore this 100 years old table. Now one corner of the table was broken, so I had to take it to the carpenter and replace that corner with a piece like this. So once I put a new piece in that corner, my table started to look like this. Now this table belongs to my great grandfather. That is the reason why I didn't want it to throw it out. That is the reason why I used my Autobody and painting skills to restore this table. It is going to be a very interesting video guys, so see that you like the video now only, and if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So come on, let's start the video. Now as you guys can see, after putting this piece on the table, a gap started to form in between. This can happen if the new wood which is put here was wet when it was worked on. And if you see on the side here, there are many holes. There are many nails which are come up, and on this part of the table there is even a crack. So all these spots I will have to fill up now. Now to fill up all those spots, I have brought Bondtite, which the shopkeeper has given me. I had asked for something with which I could fill up all these gaps. Now this comes with a spoon like this, which you can use to mix it. Now the procedure to use this is similar to araldite. What I mean by that is, the amount of quantity you take from one tube, the same amount of quantity you will have to take from the other tube as well. So the ratio is 1:1 guys. And once you take the same quantity from both the tubes, you will have to take the spoon and mix them well. After you mix it well, this is my sawdust. I will add a little sawdust to this mixture and again I will mix it well. So here I think the sawdust that I put was too much. Now this woodworking is not my specialty guys. You guys know that already. Whatever I am showing you in this video, that is all what I know guys. There is absolutely no secret here. So please don't ask me any questions about woodworking, because you guys know that I am an Autobody and paint expert, but by using those same techniques guys, I am doing woodworking here. Now if you compare this mixture with Autobody and painting, then this acts as a body filler. So here I am like mixing the body filler. So this body filler I am going to use now to fill up all the gaps, cracks or whatever imperfections are there in the table, so that later I can sand it and make it nice and flat. So once you mix it well, the mixture will look something like this. So come on now, let's fill up all the gaps. Now all the nails which had come out, I used a hammer and banged them inside. Now you should not be banging too hard also guys, otherwise your wood can crack as well. So see that you tap them in carefully. So once I tapped in all the nails, I put the filler on top of them as well, so that those spots also will become nice and flat. Now after applying the body filler on the entire table, my table started to look like this. So this table I will allow it to dry for one day, and tomorrow I will do the sanding of this table. So guys, here I have turned on my compressor, because to do the sanding I am going to use my DA sander. So on top of my DA sander, I put a 80 grit sandpaper. I connected the DA sander to my airline, and here I have started with my sanding process. Now once I started the sanding process guys, I came to know that the filler which we have used to fill up everything is not that easy to sand. So it took me a lot of time to do the sanding and level this table guys, because even after using a DA sander and a 80 grit sandpaper, the table was not getting leveled guys. So there is something to learn here. Whenever you are using a filler like this, see that you don't use too much. Only use as much needed just to fill in those tiny spots. Otherwise you are going to have a tough time sanding it flat guys. So guys, after doing the sanding, I blew out all the dust, but still the sanding process is not over yet guys. Only the table top is done. Then I turned the table and I started sanding the bottom part of the table, which was the legs and the base part. So you can't skip the sanding process guys. If you don't like sanding, then you can't do Autobody and painting. Because if you skip the sanding process, then there is absolutely no point of doing a paint job. Because after few days, whatever paint or polish that you have applied is going to come out. So guys, if you want to learn Autobody and painting seriously, and if you want to do your own paint jobs, like if you want to paint your own bike, or if you want to paint your own car, or if you want to do touch-up paint jobs at home, or if you want to paint your guitar guys, like doing woodworking, like how I'm doing here, and by doing all this, if you want to acquire professional like results, and that too from your home garage, then don't waste your time guys, because I have created a step-by-step course on it, where I teach step-by-step how to Autobody and paint. I've put a link of my course in the description below. You can go there and get yourself enrolled. And by getting enrolled, you can save your time, efforts, and the money that you are going to spend on expensive material guys, by knowing the right steps and learning all the secrets. Now after I was done with the sanding process, I bought my wood stainer. This is like a base coat guys, and to apply this wood stainer, you will need a special cloth like this. This is a special cloth guys, which you will have to use to apply the wood stainer. You can't apply the wood stainer with a normal cloth. You will get this cloth easily at the hardware shop. Then I brought my gloves, which is my mother's gloves, which she used to wash the utensils, because it is very important to wear the gloves guys, because to protect yourself is the most important thing. So wet the cloth with the wood stainer and start applying the wood stainer on your entire table like this. Now the stainer which I have brought is the black color stainer, because I am going to turn this table into black color. If you like brown tables, then you can use the brown wood stainer. Whichever color you want, according to your preference, you can apply it here guys. Now if you compare this with Autobody and painting, then this is like the base coat guys, which will give color to your surface. So I am going to apply 3 coats of this wood stainer. After applying the first coat, I will allow it to dry for some time, and then I will apply the second coat, then allow it to dry again, and then apply the third coat. So first I will be completing the bottom side guys, by applying the wood polish or the clear coat. Then once it dries up, I will turn the table. Then on the tabletop, I will apply the wood stainer, and then I will apply the clear coat or the wood polish on top of it. You can apply this wood stainer as many times as you want guys. You can apply it till you get the color that you desire. You will get this for very cheap guys. This is not like the automotive paint. So here I am done applying the wood stainer on the bottom part of the table. So come on, let's now apply the wood polish or the clear coat on the bottom side of the table. So as the clear coat, I will use the wood fin by Fevicol. Before you put this in your spray gun cup, see that you mix it in the tin itself first. You don't have to add anything in this guys. So directly you can pour this mixture into your spray gun cup. So use the cloth filter and pour the mixture into your spray gun cup. So here I will be using my 1mm tip touch-up spray gun, because the area is very less guys, and the legs of the table are also very thin. Once you put the wood polish inside of your spray gun cup, see that you set your PSI, your spray pattern and your fan width. And now your spray gun is ready to spray the polish. So come on now, let's spray the wood polish. Now the video is in slow motion here guys, and you guys can see how the spray is coming out from my spray gun. In between it is giving gaps guys. Now this is happening because I had not used this spray gun for many months, and before I used it today, I did not wash it as well. I had washed it long back before keeping it inside, but now I am using it after many months. That is the reason why some blockages have come inside of this spray gun. Now to make this proper, I will have to stop spraying, empty the spray gun, then wash the spray gun thoroughly, and then again start to spray the polish. So if I was spraying this on a car guys, I would have definitely stopped my spraying and I would have washed the spray gun. But on this table guys, when I will spray the wood polish on the top of the table, that time I will change my entire spray gun only. Because one more thing I have noticed here guys, and that is this wood polish is very thick guys, and it is becoming difficult for it to come out from this spray gun. That is the reason why it is taking me too much time to spray it, and that is the reason why I had to move my hand very slowly to cover the area well. Otherwise, the polish is not settling properly. So at the moment I will be applying only one coat on the bottom side, then I will allow it to dry for some time, then I will turn the table, and then on the top of the table, first thing that I will do is I will apply the wood stainer, and then I will apply the wood polish or the clear coat. And when I am applying the wood polish on the top of the table, at that time I will be applying that wood polish on the entire table as well guys. So that time the entire table will have like 2 coats on top of it. So here I am done applying the wood polish on the bottom side guys. So I have allowed it to dry for some time, and now I am turning this entire table guys, because on top of the table I have still not applied the wood stainer or the wood polish. Now on top of this drawer also I did not apply the wood stainer, That also I had forgotten. This drawer also I will make black color. So the entire table is going to look black, guys. So let's see what type of finish I will acquire. Now to complete this project, it took me around 1 week, guys. First I took this table to the carpenter, then he put a wood piece on the table, then I filled up all the holes, gaps and cracks with a filler, then I did the sanding, and today I'm applying the stainer and I'm applying the wood polish as well. So as you guys can see, it takes a lot of time to complete one video, guys. So definitely remember to like the video, guys. And if you are enjoying the videos, then see that you comment as well, because when you comment it gives me motivation, guys, and because of this motivation I keep on bringing new videos to you guys. So here I'm applying the second coat of the wood stainer. In total I will be applying 3 coats. If you want you can apply 4, 5, 6 coats as well, and the third coat I will be applying in cross direction as well, so that the area is covered nicely. Now whatever white spots that you can see on the table, after applying the clear coat or the wood polish, those things are going to show up, guys. So see that you cover them nicely. So here I am done applying the wood stainer on my table. So after the wood stainer dries, I will start to apply the wood polish on top of the tabletop. So here I will start to spray the wood polish, and again I am using the same spray gun, the 1mm tip spray gun. So after applying the first coat, I am going to change the spray gun, guys. So let's see how the wood polish flow out when I am using a bigger spray gun, and let's see if I can do the job quicker. So here now the video is playing in normal speed, and how slow I have to move the spray gun, you guys can see that. It looks as if this is a slow motion video, guys. This is happening because the mixture inside the spray gun is thick and my spray gun is also a little bit blocked, so it is getting difficult for the spray to flow out. Guys, here I am done applying my first coat. I allowed the table to dry for some time, and now I am applying the second and last coat of my wood polish. So here I am using my bigger spray gun now, guys, which is a bigger tip spray gun. And how easily the wood polish is coming out from this spray gun, you guys can see that already. I will even show it to you in slow motion. So this coat I will be applying on the entire table. And once I am done applying this coat, guys, I am done with today's table project, and after that we'll see the before and after shots of this table. So guys, I'm hoping that you have found this video useful, and by using this procedure you will now start to restore all the furniture from your house. Because this same polish, guys, if you tell a carpenter to do it, then he will charge you thousands and thousands of rupees. To apply the polish it is very expensive, guys, but if you are doing it by yourself, then this job has cost me less than 500 rupees, guys. So if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is rysonsspraybooth signing out. But before that, let's see the before and after shots of this table.